My air conditioner, which is 3 years old, will run about 30 minutes and then gets a faux coat on it. We have tried everything we could think of to fix. I see no leaking of refrigerant.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Model G1710 PCSW. Serial no. ASHRAE 128 standard. Filter has not been replaced, but it is clean.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Started as the season began. About a week. Checked circuit breakers, shortened exhaust hose, cleaned filter, made sure unit was not blocked.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Could it be low on refrigerant?
Hello, that looks like a Gree brand, portable AC unit. Is that correct? Faux code can mean a defective printed circuit board, but more often it is a defective condensing temperature sensor or the heat exchanger inside the unit needs servicing. Click here for a video. I'm Phil, mechanical engineer / electrical, boiler, and HVAC contractor retired. Allow time for me to pull manuals, do CAD drawings or type responses for you before terminating our discussion, please. I will always stay with you to the very end, and in over 98% of the questions I deliver a suitable solution. Phone call offers are automated, and entirely optional. That will speed things up, however. Note, on this end we do not stand by. I am notified when you post back, and that puts you back to the head of my queue, so there can be that wait. I sleep at night, however. Catalog searches, and typing a well thought out and helpful response take time. There can be that delay as well. And I sleep at night, of course.
I never got a reply. Forget whole thing.
Perhaps you forgot to scroll up. I posted my reply on 20 May 11:04 a.m. Here it is again. Hello, that looks like a Gree brand, portable AC unit. Is that correct? Faux code can mean a defective printed circuit board, but more often it is a defective condensing temperature sensor or the heat exchanger inside the unit needs servicing. Click here for a video.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.